Hi, my name is Lisa. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope you'll stick around and watch my unboxing. My husband and I did it again with the matchy matchy. I will not reveal his until the other part comes in, but I couldn't wait to show you what I got, or at least half of what I got. And I have always liked Burberry, and I've always thought it was very classic, even if it's not always 100% in style. And I don't care, basically. So I went to Aloha, stalked the Burberry guy. Poor guy. I feel sorry for him. Oh, sorry, my box is making noise. And inside, oh, she's upside down, but that's okay. Just tissue paper. And here she is. I've always thought Burberry was like boss lady. I've always thought that. And there she is, the Burberry classic check tote. There is another one, and if I find a picture, I'll post it here. And it was more black than brown, and I wasn't 110% in love with that one. And then when I saw this one, I was like, oh yeah, 120%. So it's just stuff with paper. And it comes with a strap. And although I do like this strap, I saw that there's a web strap online. And unfortunately, it was sold out. So I might have to go check that out. Let's see. The strap is pretty generous, but it's not, I don't think I'll use it. I'll just leave it on that. I don't think I'll use it. But here she is. 4 gold feet. Let's see. I checked her out in the store, but you know, when you get her home, that's when you really gotta look. She has, oh, I love that the pocket is all the way across, so it's a wide and deep pocket. It doesn't go all the way down, but it goes more than halfway down. Let's see. And then the center pocket, oh, I guess that's just care information and style number. So if you're interested, here is that information, if you can see it. There we go. So it's called the Archive Beige, and the item number is 5025274, if you're interested. And, oh, this is nice. And to adhere the strap, here it is, inside the zipper, I'm sorry, on the side of the zip pocket, there is a D-ring here, and then on the opposite side here, so it doesn't catch. It's not gonna rub the leather. Oh, I like that. That's a good aspect. And I like how she's generous. So if you want to put your tablet or something inside, I'm sure it'll fit in there. You know, an agenda or whatever you want to add to it will add to it. But she's beautiful. And she smells amazing. I think that Burberry is very underappreciated. I really like just the timelessness of a Burberry. It's kind of like Louis Vuitton to me. That classic monogram LV will never go out of style. The same as the check printed for Burberry and the quilting for Chanel. I just don't think that that'll ever pass. I think there's peaks and valleys in it, and that it'll always come back around. So there's that. And then I have another small unboxing and a couple of reveals to get to as well. Here's my other unboxing. It is a Louis Vuitton, of course. Well, duh, it's right there. But I was in the store and I was hemming and hawing about it, and I saw it and I said, you know what? I don't have one. I probably don't need it, but I want it. So there you go. And it is just the classic cosmetic pouch. in the original monogram print. I really like it because I have some epi ones, and it's great. It's great as a catch-all because I don't wear makeup very often. So for me, it's a great catch-all. And speaking of, I found this one on one of the Japan reseller eBay sites. So I scooped it up for like a steal. I mean, ridiculously a steal. And I thought, oh, when I saw it, I thought, oh, maybe it's damaged on the inside or something. But nope. They showed pictures and I asked for extra ones and it is pristine. So I think it's just that this shape is out of style, but it's not for me. So, and just because we all know that I love a dang matchy-matchy, Goldilocks needed a friend. There she is. I found this one on, I want to say it was Tradesy. Yeah, I'm sure it was Tradesy. And I got it for a really good price. I think, well, actually, I got this one and the black one right before Louis Vuitton dropped that new gold one. And I'm so glad I did. I got it back then because the price of them shot up as soon as they released another Mirror collection. I was like, oh yeah, thank God I got that in. And then a couple more. Hang on. Just as a disclaimer, I've had this for quite a while. I just haven't had a moment to unbox everything. So this is Pre-Loved from The Real. And it comes with like a little cute little, you know, authenticity card and blah, blah, blah. It's really cute. And I've always wanted one. And my girl Stacy, she is bougie and sarcastic, has one. And the way she raved about it, I was like, dang it, now I need it. It is the Chanel 6-ring card holder in caviar leather with black. And it has the little slot for your ID or, you know, card or whatever. Beautiful on the inside. And I got this for a really good deal too, because you can see it has like some little imprints right there from the key rings, but I'm gonna put those there anyway, so I don't care. And the price was definitely right. Another one, Louis Vuitton. And this one is something that I added, I would say about the day it released. I would just say that. And my essay, she's so funny, she ordered me the wrong one. And when it came in, I was like, that's not what I ordered. But she was able to find me the correct one, which is the mini pochette Christmas animation. And yep, perfectly pink on the inside. She's beautiful. So when I saw the other one, I thought, oh, it was the one with the corgi on it, and it was cute, but that's not what I wanted. So I was kind of like, oh, what am I gonna do? And then I thought about it, and I said, don't keep something you don't love. So I just, you know, gave it back to her immediately. And if she couldn't have found it, it was okay. It wouldn't have been the end of the world. It's not like I don't have others, you know. Life goes on, right? And then my final is this beauty. Oh, I hear my husband coming in the house with dinner. So, hey babe. Hey babe. My husband just came in the house with dinner, so I'll have to let you go. Thank you for your time. Thanks for watching. Be kind. Remember to subscribe and be a good person. Aloha.